Hello friends, how is it going? I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a GitHub repository. So imagine that you have your repositories and you just feel that you want to delete one of them. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you basic steps that you need to follow to delete your GitHub repository. So the first thing is that you need to log into your GitHub account and then navigate to where you have your repositories, which I'll assume that you know that. So now here you can see that I'm just inside my GitHub repositories, and under this you can see that I have some repositories. So just want to delete one of the repositories just as an example, and I'm just going to delete this crime web mapping dashboard repository. So now if you are okay with deleting that, just open that repository like this, and then you can see here that we have the folders inside this repository. And now up here you can see that we are under the code, we have issues, pull requests, agents, and many other things here on the menu. So to delete your repository, you need to navigate to the settings. So you can see that we have the settings at the far end here. Click on settings, and then this will open up some settings that you can read through some of the things that you want to do. But for us, we just want to learn how to delete the repository. So to do that, you need to navigate down up to the end of this page, and down here you can see they say that this is a danger zone, and here you can see we have things like change repository visibility, and this is where you can change from public to private. And then we also have to disable branch protection rules, we have transfer ownership, we have archive this repository, and then lastly we can see that we have delete this repository. And they say once you delete a repository, there is no going back. Please be certain. Since I'm certain that I want to delete this repository, I'm just going to click on delete this repo. Then they will need to authenticate you first. So they will say you want to delete this repository, then you just click on yes. So I want to delete this. Then they will say that this will permanently delete the repository inside your GitHub account, and so you just need to say I have read and understood these effects. So just click on OK, and then down here they will ask you to confirm and type in this name here, and then just click on delete. So you can either write this, or you can also just copy the words. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste them inside this box here, and then you can see now delete this repository is activated. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on delete this repository, and then I'll have to provide the password for my GitHub account. So I'm just going to enter my password like this, and then click on confirm deletion. Now this is going to delete your repository from the GitHub account, and now you can see that your repository, this one, has been successfully deleted. Now if you go ahead and refresh the page, you realize that we don't see that repository anywhere, and you can see that the total number of repositories has also reduced by 1. So initially we had 95 and now we have 94. So that is it. I have deleted my repository. So thank you for watching. Make sure to check out some other videos on how to develop GIS web mapping applications, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.